Good morning, everybody. Mike Vacchi, Princetontrader.com, here with your Thursday morning pre-market webcast. Okay, so we have a 3-day weekend starting tomorrow, Good Friday, Passover, and then it's back to full days on Monday. So Globex is closed tomorrow. So when it closes tonight, tomorrow is a full-on holiday. So basically, what happens is we're fighting over the 200-day moving average. We've been doing it for 5 days now. The tape that we found ourselves in was essentially we are long-term trading, we are short-term trading long-term inflection points. Let me say that again. If you're day trading this, you are short-term trading long-term inflection points. The 200-day is a gigantic long-term inflection point. You can see from the chart there that they are fighting it out, and they are fighting it out in a wide range, which leads to a very whippy market at times. Yesterday afternoon was as whippy as it gets. I mean, they were taking things out in 8, 10, 15 handle chunks and whipping them right back just the same. We had a fantastic day, had about a 70 handle day. At the same time, I did two disaster stop trades, boom, boom, 2 out of 3, -5, -5. And that's the function of this kind of volatility and whip. But the morning was very tradable. It's been a fantastic trader tape. It continues to be a fantastic trading tape. And nothing is really going to change about that. My suggestion for today, though, we're coming to the end of the week. We're coming to the end of the month, coming to the end of the quarter. For us, it's been, it's been the biggest quarter we've ever had. And we've had some good quarters around here, and this is the biggest one yet. So we're going to spend today getting pretty selective about setups, protecting what we have, and really focused on that purple line right there. And until the bears demonstrate to me that they can stay below the purple line, because you can see for the last 5 sessions, we've traveled below it. We traveled below it yesterday. We did 93. But the dip buyers come in and they defend it. They defend it fiercely. So on the hourly chart, you can see the compression building, okay? And you can see these wide hourly candles that we were putting in yesterday. The inability to break out by the bears, inability to break down by the bulls, or bears couldn't break it. Bears couldn't break down. I clearly need more coffee today. Bears couldn't break down. Bulls couldn't break out. Bears couldn't break down. And then, everybody's just getting whipped and churned, in between. This will resolve itself. And when it does, it will resolve into the next directional move in this market. Up or down? I don't know. Price and risk are going to tell us that. It's our job to be patient. So as I head into today, I'm very focused on this hourly mid-band. I'm very focused on the daily pivot, and I'm extremely cognizant of where that 25.98 200-day exponential moving average is at all times, because this is just one big test. And for me, with the bears, it's going to take a hard break that holds, and it's going to have to hold like a champ. They're going to have to leave no doubt. It reminds me of when the bears broke the monthly pivot up above right around 2700, 2695, wherever it was in February. When they broke that area, they broke it, they held it, and then they never looked back. That was the start of the big move down, when volatility really got rolling. Would have been the January monthly pivot. When this broke in here and started the hard move down, if the bears are going to repeat a hard move down, then they're going to need a hard break of this area that doesn't look back. Can they do it? I have no idea, but it's going to be fun sitting around watching, trying to see if they can. So everybody have a fantastic day. Have a fantastic long weekend. We're ready to hit the ground running in April. So come check us out. We would love you to have you come and trade with us. If you do this stuff every day, I think if you come in, you're going to immediately like what you see, and you'll be with us a while. So take care, trade them well. I'll talk to you soon. Follow us over on Twitter, Instagram, and Snapchat at Princetontrader. Check us out on Facebook and join us for a free trial at www.princetontrader.com. Trade 'em well.